Step 1. Pick up a 3-hole side panel and a 3-hole middle partition, select a connecting rod and tighten them with 2 screws. Step 2. Pick up the 2-hole middle partition and place it between the 3-hole side panel and the 3-hole middle partition. Pick up the 2-hole side panel and place it on the other side of the 3-hole middle partition. Select a connecting rod and tighten them with 2 screws. Step 3. Flip the hole over, with the hole facing upwards. Step 4. Select a connecting rod and install it corresponding to 2 hole positions. Install the remaining 5 connecting rods in sequence. Step 5. Display 3 types of retractable modes.